Hello everyone, this is our fourth digital citizenship lesson. Notice at the top, we are kind and courageous. Today we're going to talk about how we are putting a stop to online meanness. So what should you do if someone is mean to you online? What does mean behavior look like? Online is using a computer, phone, or tablet to visit a website or app. Why do you think someone would be mean to someone else online? So here's a scenario that I want you to look at. So we have a person in our purple here that says, "Hey, have you seen that new show, Fly Sweepers? It's so cool." And then we have this response from another person that says, "I can't believe you like superhero shows. That's something my little brother would watch." So put yourself into this person's position. How do you think this person in the purple is going to feel after they read this response from this person? They're probably not going to feel very good. They might feel a little embarrassed. And so we need to be sure that what we're sharing, whatever we're typing, whatever we're sharing online, just as in person, we need to make sure that we're sharing kind things and we think before we actually type something and that we think before we actually speak something. So the steps to follow if you think someone is being mean, first of all, you stop. So this is an acronym, STOP. And so the S, first of all, stands for step away. So step away from the situation. T, you tell a trusted adult. So you let someone know. It can be someone in your house. It can be myself. O, you visit OK sites first. Remember, always check with an adult. P, you pause and think online. Always need to pause and think before you post something, before you do something online. Don't forget to fill out your exit slip